Oh yeah, I'm back. Hey guys, welcome back to the Mad Swine Backyard Barbecue, where I've given up on Samsung, got me a new iPhone 13 Pro Max, all that good stuff. And now I'm back in business. And guess what I'm bringing to you guys? A great money-saving recipe. Who does not love a seafood boil? And at that, a shrimp seafood boil or a shrimp boil, whatever. I'm bringing it to you guys today, right here in the kitchen, because it's kind of cold out in the backyard. It's like 70 degrees out there. Damn. All right, guys, let me give you a quick overview of the ingredients I'm going to be using. I got 3 pounds of shrimp, a bag of medley potatoes. I'm only going to use about 3 or 4 of these corns. Now, I know this is just a shrimp boil, but I saw this at Costco today, cooked octopus, and man, I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add it at the very end into the butter. It's already cooked. I'm just gonna use the butter to heat it up, give it some flavor, and we'll see how that comes out, but pretend that's not there. I'll let you know if it's a hit or a miss. I'm gonna be using some hot links. I only need 1 of these 3 bags. So I'm gonna be using 1 of those. I'll be using 2 sticks of butter, unsalted, because I'm gonna be adding a lot of seasoning. See all that right there? So Kinder's lemon pepper and Kinder's garlic and herb with sea salt and lemon. I'm gonna go 50-50 with this, and that's what you see in here. It's already mixed up. Some Cajun choice blackened seasoning. This stuff is really, really good. It's really heavy on the cayenne pepper. I love it. I'm gonna use Zatarain's crawfish shrimp and bag, shrimp and crab boil in the bag. And you guys know what this is, huh? I'm gonna flavor the water with some consomme. So some bouillon, chicken flavored bouillon. And lemons, obviously some lemons. And that's it. These are the ingredients. Oh, I recommend 2 cloves of garlic. I only have 1. And these guys here, these little stragglers, but we're gonna make that work. And that's basically it, guys. All right, so I got a raging boil over here. And what I'm gonna do is start seasoning up this water by just dumping in the Zatarain's tea bag thing. That's what this is. That goes in. Then I got 1 capful of the bouillon, chicken bouillon. There it is right there. That goes in. I'm gonna get these lemons, squeeze them, and dump them in. All right, so the only ingredients that are going into the water is the corn and the potatoes, and that's it. And because these potatoes are so small, they're not gonna take much. Well, that is extremely small, nice little bite size. They're not gonna take long to cook. So for that reason, corn goes in first. All right, I'm gonna let that roll for about 10 minutes. It's already getting the boil back real quick. 10 minutes, then I'll dump the potatoes, and those will take probably 5 minutes, and that's it. All right. It's time to dump these guys. All right, they disappeared. 6:53. At 6:58, I'll check on them. I'll taste one, see if they're done. All right, let's taste this guy real quick and see how. Ooh. Needs a couple, maybe 5 more minutes. All right, these guys are definitely done. So I'm gonna just take them out. I'm gonna fish them out of the water and put the potatoes and the corn here in the colander. So that's my next step. All right, so now all the potatoes and the corn, they're right here in this colander. I'm gonna transfer this into a sheet pan. And then in this pot, I'm gonna drop the garlic, 2 sticks of butter, and the hot links. My idea is to incorporate the hot links into the butter so that the butter cooks the hot links. In return, it releases all the juices into the butter, so it flavors the butter. And then by the time I drop the shrimp and the octopus in here, but the shrimp, it's gonna be flavorful. It's gonna be infused with that hot link flavor, butter, garlic, all that crap. It's gonna be great. All right, so I have the corn and the potatoes seasoned with the Cajun seasoning and the 50/50 from Kinder's. Let's taste this. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. All right, I dropped the 2 sticks of butter. I got the garlic in there, and I'm just gonna dump all the links, and I'm gonna let that do its thing. All right, so here comes a really, really important step. We got the links already done right here, but I'm gonna take a good scoop of this juice. Bam. Woo-hoo-hoo! And that is what makes a difference right here. Stir it up. Get these things all nice and crooked and blistered and all that crazy crap it does to these sausages, to these hot links. Look at that. And guess what's next? Shrimp. Get in there. Come on. That's it. Now I know this is a small pot for all that shrimp, but I don't care. I'm making it work. I'm gonna be moving it around, and as soon as the last one turns pink, I'm gonna add the octopus and actually turn off the stove. Now don't forget, every time that you stir it up, add seasoning. I'm keeping these shrimp moving and seasoned. And with some Cajun choice, I'm gonna hit it with the 50/50 blend. Now, I think that's it. I think they're done. Turning that off, and in goes the octopus. There it is. All right, thank you. Oh, it smells good. Keep in mind this octopus is already cooked, so it's just gonna get a little bit heated up. And I'll leave it for about 2 minutes. And then we're dumping all that right on top of that. All right, guys, it's time to go ahead and get all of this onto there. This is how we do it. We might lose a couple. It's all right. All right, we just had to transfer to a larger baking dish. I don't know why I thought that little sheet pan would work, but you know what? No big deal. We rectified that. We're gonna season it again. Hit it with the Cajun choice. And the 50-50 blend from Kinder's. Put 2 different seasonings in one. And that's what we get. We get shrimp, we get potatoes, we get sausage, we got octopus right there. Corn. There it is, guys. Do it at home. That's freaking good. Oh my God. You want to try some, Mama? Go for it. I know you're starving. Get up in there. Try something. Let's get a good look at that. Look at that big old shrimp. You can put it right here. Trick is though, is you suck the juice as much as you can, dip it in some butter. How was that?
Really good.
You like that? Oh yeah, it's really good. You guys heard it. And I'm not even giving her $20 to say that. All right, I'll give you 25.